Hi everyone, and welcome back to RX Explained. I'm Emily Carter, and today we're diving into a fascinating new development in eye care, Vizz, an Aceclidine ophthalmic solution. If you've been noticing your near vision isn't quite what it used to be, especially when reading or looking at your phone, this episode is for you. Before we discuss Vizz, let's quickly touch on the condition it treats, presbyopia. This isn't a disease, it's a natural part of aging that typically starts in your mid-40s. Over time, the lens inside your eye becomes less flexible, making it harder to focus on close-up objects. It's why many of us eventually reach for reading glasses. Vizz is a prescription eye drop that contains aceclidine, designed to temporarily enhance vision clarity for age-related blurry near vision. What makes Vizz particularly interesting is its unique mechanism of action. Unlike other treatments, Vizz is a pupil-selective miotic. This means it primarily works by gently constricting your pupil, creating what's known as a pinhole effect. This effect increases your depth of focus, allowing you to see more clearly up close without significantly affecting your distance vision. Vizz is for adults with presbyopia who are looking for a temporary alternative to reading glasses. If you find yourself constantly putting on and taking off your glasses, or if you simply want the freedom to see clearly up close without them, Vizz might be a good option to discuss with your eye doctor. In clinical trials, Vizz was shown to improve near vision in as little as 30 minutes, with the effects lasting for up to 10 hours. This means a single dose in the morning could potentially get you through your entire workday. However, like any medication, Vizz can have side effects. The most frequently reported effects were temporary irritation at the application site, dim vision, and headaches. It's important to have a balanced conversation with your doctor about the potential benefits and risks to see if Vizz is right for you. The recommended dosage for Vizz is 1 drop in each eye once a day. It's important to follow the instructions from your doctor and the packaging carefully. To administer the drops, wash your hands, tilt your head back, and gently pull down your lower eyelid to create a small pocket. Squeeze 1 drop into the pocket without letting the tip of the vial touch your eye. Close your eyes for a minute or two to allow the medication to be absorbed. Speaking of eye care, if you experience any dryness or irritation, which can be common with many types of eye drops, it's always a good idea to have some preservative-free artificial tears on hand. I've linked my favorite brand in the description below. They can be really soothing and help keep your eyes comfortable throughout the day. Thanks for watching RX Explained. This video is for informational purposes only and isn't a substitute for medical advice. If you found it helpful, tap like, subscribe, and check out my other videos like this one up here. See you next time.